Japanese ice cream lahat. Kaya masarap, parang vanilla ice cream summer, oh. Maghanap kayo ng masarap.
Pineapple, pasilla, peach, green date, red dates with milk, red dates with yogurt, vanilla.
Ano to? Tangulo?
Hindi. Lemon. This one, coconut with the sticky rice.
Puro mga Japanese. Hindi maintindihan yung sulat.
Hindi. Ano to? Chinese.
Okay.
This one, ito.
Ano to? Ano yan? Cheese? May cheese?
Cheese. Ito.
Summer, cheese. This one. Cheese ice cream.
What else?
This one is mango.
Mango with coconut. You want the sandwich? Milk sandwich? This one. And also coffee. This one also
Mga balls to, ice cream.
ito, bubble
Asan si daddy?
I want this one. Bubble tea. Lychee.
Let's go back here when there's mango ice cream.
No.
Is this vanilla? Mommy, what is this flavor?
Oo nga, no, meron dito ice cream.
What is this? What's this flavor? Mommy,
Quanto malemo?
Ito peach. Peach ice cream.
أنا بجيب واحد بنجربه.
Mommy, I want to buy that one.
You want to buy this one?
I don't want the lemon because maybe it will taste like lemon.
Yes, maybe. It's sour. Lemon ice cream. Ikaw, what's yours? Celine, patingin ko nga ng peach ice cream mo.
Mommy, I want to buy dalawa just in case I don't like the other one.
Kainin mo na, ba? Tutunaw. Patingin mo. Oh, one's for you.
Whoa!
And then let's try the lemon. Walang crack to.
Ano mga price?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Kompleto sila ng fix?
Oo, may fix din sila.
Magkano fix?
Open it.